Hi, I'm Lauren Fix here with Paul Fix, and we have a very special treat for you today.
We're opening
Yeah?
a concierge box for the new Ford GT.
Yeah, so if you're lucky enough to get a Ford GT, and there's only a few people that are, and you have to own a previous GT, be a fan of Ford, a friend of Ford.
There's all sorts of criteria that you have to meet to be lucky enough to be able to buy 200 of the first year production.
Right, this is the 2017 ordering kit. Let's take a look inside. So we have not had a chance to ever open this box. This is the first time for all of us. You ready?
Well, in addition to the online process, the concierge has sent us this box to help in the ordering process.
We have no idea what's inside, so you get to see it. So inside this beautiful thick piece of foam. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Ready?
For sure.
Oh man, look at this.
Ooh, carbon fiber.
Can you see this?
Wow.
I gotta show you this. Look at that. It says GT Design Spec. Wow, look at the latch on the top.
This is any clue as to how wicked the car is going to be.
Yeah, look at that. That is just awesome. Okay, Paul, how are we gonna open that thing?
It says push.
Okay,
so
let's put this down so it doesn't...
push
Then what?
and pull, I guess.
That's cool. Okay.
Oh, look at that latch.
That is like really nicely done. Okay, go ahead. All right, so I guess this comes out, so. Oh, neat, there's a handle right there. Okay, I just saw that. Go ahead, pull. Oh.
Ah, look at that.
This is a beautiful case.
So let's see what Ford Performance has sent us as
Where do we start?
choice tool. Colors of the car.
All
so
right.
we have the liquid blue.
Look at that.
Wow. What beautiful paint samples.
Oh my gosh, they're all
it's
like little
real paint.
And real stripes, which are removable. So you can see what it looks like with and without the stripe. There's the blue.
Liquid red. I think those are two of the most popular colors that are going to be chosen.
I think so too.
The liquid red is just so deep.
Slide that.
As I recall, it's a $25,000 option for the liquid colors.
Just for the liquid. I think there's an extra fee for the stripes too.
Yeah, the stripes are, I believe, $15,000 for the stripes.
Oh, that's a cool combo. Can you see that? That's like a dark gray.
Yeah,
What's
that's
that gray called? Does it say on the back? It doesn't. Wow, these are really awesome. That's so cool. Now this is probably not the most popular color, but it does look really cool.
But it might be the rarest.
Oh, look at that. That's cool with the black stripe. All right, what's next, Paul? Let's see. Now this is a black with silver. That's pretty awesome too. Wow, these are gonna be difficult to make choices.
The next color option is silver with orange stripes.
Okay, now there's two kinds of silvers then.
Yeah,
It's like this
there's
light
a
silver.
light silver.
That is an orange for sure, and that
Yeah,
may be
I
red. The
believe
white
that's
with
right.
red, and that looks like the orange over the silver. This one I need your help getting out.
Matte black.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Look at this. That's the matte colors. You can order matte colors in the Heritage, which is, I'm not sure if all of the options are listed on the website that the consumers can see. I think only buyers have the special options. But
With a metallic black
stripe.
stripe.
That's cool.
Wow,
Shiny
fantastic.
black over flat. That's so wicked. So those are your color choices. I think you can do other color choices as well.
There is an option, paint to sample. So we've got 3 different wheel options here. And what looks to be, well, there's even more down there.
There's brake calipers.
It's
okay,
deep.
you go first. What do you got here?
So this is the gloss black.
Oh my
If I
gosh.
can get it out.
They got them pressure fit in here
This is the gloss black
with a red caliper.
aluminum wheel.
Should put that up close so they can see that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that wicked? I've heard through the grapevine that that is a magnetic caliper in back. You can take this off.
Maybe.
Look at that.
So you can
So you can
mix and match.
So you can say, oh, I don't want that red caliper
I
on
want a
there.
silver caliper. How is that going to look?
I don't know. Let's take a look and see what we can find here. If you can see these.
So then we'll go with the silver. Let's go to the silver one.
Slide these down so you can see them.
So this is like a titanium.
Let's try it with the red if we want to do the red. This is like Legos, Jim. You can have a party with these. Oh, and they sound like they're really metal, too. Look at that. So you can go, I don't like that one. I want the blue with the black.
Oh, put it over this one right here. The black with the blue
Oh,
matching the blue stripe.
that's really cool.
Now this is definitely a great ordering process. Now let's go with what is going to be on the Heritage. The special Heritage version gets a gold wheel.
I wonder if that's available separately.
I don't believe it's available with.
But it only comes with the silver caliper, if I remember. Somebody told me that.
So
see all those? More wheels. This is great. You'll get all the brake colors too.
So there's your silver aluminum wheel.
That's really cool with the black caliper, which you can pull out again. That's so awesome.
And here is the
that's shiny black with
no,
with
that's
the red.
The black aluminum. I'm sorry.
Oh.
The first one we chose was the gloss carbon wheel. See, it has a different spoke design on the carbon.
Look at that.
On the carbon wheel.
Let's see, this is the carbon and this is the regular aluminum. So there's a different. I see. Okay.
And this is the other carbon wheel.
The matte black.
That's the matte. The matte carbon wheel.
With the matte brakes. You see that the brake calipers come out?
Those are your two carbon options.
And that is the matte brake caliper as well.
Then the aluminum option.
That's so cool. Can you see they're like magnetic on the back?
You can mix and match. For people to go through this process, I'm sure they'll be racking their brains out, as most car aficionados do.
Look at this. It says competition. It's beautiful. There's the materials. Look at that. So it's carbon, and then it says what it is. It says
IP wing.
And what is it? IP.
IP. So that.
Oh, feel that. It's like an Alcantara.
That's your Alcantara.
And then this must be the
upgrade. That's even a smoother.
Yeah.
Feels like a finer.
And that's this looks like real carbon.
Yeah, that's definitely a carbon sample.
Wow, that is really nice. So that's your competition option.
So that's the competition interior for the competition car that is not on the website. It's a special version without air conditioning.
Right, and no radio.
And no navigation.
This is the Heritage. This is this year only, and of course apparently they're going to change it each year, depending if they win. So you can see this is the Heritage. Look at that. That's nice. That's a really nice quality leather. You can feel that is like deer skin. It's so soft.
Yeah, it has a definite pattern to it. Oh, and then even more.
So it must be the combination of the three.
And
there's baby,
the special number 2.
Check that out. That's a nice little surprise. So that's going to be inside the car
to the
winning car.
To the winning car.
So this is on the outside of the car and on the interior.
On the door panels, right? Interior door panels. So they all have different names. So this is the re-entry interior. That is the white.
It's white leather, and then the black. And then the carbon as well. Wow, feel that. And you can see the metal. That must be the color of the braces that hold up the headrest for that particular combo.
Oh, correct. They had to color match behind the headrests and then along the bottom of the dash so as not to clash and have a perfect color palette. Launch control. Launch control. That's your orange and black interior.
So is this the color of the post for the headrest? Look at that.
The white could very well be.
That's really, really. Can you see that? Look at that. That is weird. Hey, look at this orange. That is really an orange leather with black and carbon. Wow.
Put that up against the silver and orange.
That's really sexy.
Then with the black and orange caliper and wheel package.
That'd make a really cool car. I'd make a statement.
Absolutely. Light speed. That is the black leather, and it has a blue
neat.
Alcantara.
Look at that. See, it says light speed. That's so cool. So what's next? Ooh, there's one more. It looks like one or two
more. The last interior option is the dark energy. I think the dark energy is the standard interior. Okay. So it's the regular black, no carbon on the sills.
Oh, I see.
So
this is your base $450,000 car.
Right. And you get the Alcantara in both places.
But the quality you can tell is different. Right. It's definitely a different quality than when you're looking at the light speed. You can feel the difference in the leather here. Feel the difference in the leather. There's definitely.
So it's interesting that they stack the interior samples with the most expensive on the top,
Yeah.
and the least expensive on the bottom.
Yeah, this is a well put together kit. I really like the fact that you can pick the wheels. Like, I want a silver wheel, but I want a blue caliper, for example. And you just pull it apart and put together what you want. Look at that, actually looks pretty cool. Think about the black.
I would do matte carbon wheels with a blue caliper.
Ooh.
And it certainly would go with the liquid blue.
If the blue is the same, they're really picky on that. We talked to someone who wanted to order a red car with red brakes, and they said the red was not the same. So if I take these brakes off,
they strongly suggested against it.
It's not the same red.
So they spent a lot of time putting together these samples, and their suggested buildup of each car. Obviously, they want to help you in the best way to make
the coolest combination. What do you think, Paul? What would be your favorite choice so far? There's so many good colors. I'm still a fan of the matte, but I just wonder how trendy it is.
Yeah, the matte is going to come and go, just like some of these other color options that we've seen through the 80s and 90s, through teals and all this other stuff. But a gloss color is going to be steadfast, and my number one pick would be the Heritage.
Oh yeah, it's only 1 year.
You've got to go back to the original and why this whole program is here, and that's because of the Heritage. So, the black with the silver stripes.
That means you'd probably want to do
the gold wheel,
or you could do the carbon wheel with all black.
Well, the Heritage doesn't have any options.
Oh, that's right.
So you've got the gold wheel, the silver stripes, the number 2 on the side and the interior.
Yeah, that number 2.
And the special interior with the gold that would kind of match the wheel.
Ah, and the braces inside the car too.
Really no options for the
You're right.
For the
it is the silver.
The Heritage, other than the titanium exhaust system.
Oh, you got to do that. You got to do that.
So the
$15,000
option for titanium exhaust, and
I wonder what you do. Competition. I wonder what colors that comes in.
It's a one color option only. It's the light silver.
That's going to be a low take rate anyhow.
The competition, yeah, without AC and without nav and so forth. I mean, it's is it going to be a track car?
Yeah,
it's going to be rare, but. At $500,000 a copy, I'm not sure that I would go without AC and without nav.
Yeah, no matter where you live in the U.S.
Yeah.
So the cool thing is you can mix and match any way you want. This is the unboxing of the official Ford GT Design Spec Kit. These will go to the 200 people who are going to be lucky enough to get the first year. The first few have been delivered, of course, to Bill Ford and Mark Fields, but hey, they're part of the corporation.
Now, from what we understand, the first orders have been put in. This is the highest take rate, the blue and the red. Now, of course, the concept car a few years ago was blue, and of course, that always captures everyone's attention, and everybody wants that. It was a beautiful color.
And the red, that was at the Detroit Auto Show this year, and was at a lot of different shows. That is just such a beautiful
That would be my
color.
second option. If
that's
couldn't do a Heritage, you definitely do a liquid red.
So pretty, and it's cool. Let us know your thoughts. Make sure to put your comments below. Of course, you can follow us and a whole build process, which we're going to get the opportunity to show you. That'll be coming up on His Turn, Her Turn. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.